La famille royale peut avoir une valeur nette combinée estimée à 72,5 milliards de livres sterling, mais la richesse personnelle de la reine est bien inférieure à cela. Voici quelques-unes des célébrités inattendues qui sont plus riches que la reine. La reine est le premier monarque britannique à célébrer son jubilé de platine, marquant 70 ans sur le trône. Son règne historique sera célébré au cours d'un week-end de 4 jours le mois prochain, entre le 2 juin et le 5 juin. Royal Derby et une finale de concours de célébrités. Vendredi, le Sunday Times a dévoilé la Rich List 2022, nommant les 250 personnes ou familles les plus riches du Royaume-Uni. Malgré son statut de reine d'Angleterre, de nombreuses célébrités ont amassé une fortune supérieure à celle du monarque, y compris quelques visages célèbres qui figureront dans les célébrations du jubilé. La richesse privée du monarque s'élèverait à 370 millions de livres sterling. Voici 6 célébrités surprenantes qui sont plus riches que la reine. 1. Salma Hayek et François-Henri Pinault. Hayek, 55, has an impressive net worth of livres sterling 158 millions. The actress has built a successful career in Hollywood, having starred in several notable movies and television series such as Frida, Grown Ups and Ugly Betty. Hayek is married to François-Henri Pinault, 59, the CEO of luxury brand Kering, which owns the likes of Gucci, Yves Saint Laurent and Alexander McQueen. Together, they have a net worth of livres sterling 7,125 billion, making them one of the richest families in Hollywood. 2. Sir Paul McCartney and Nancy Shevell. McCartney, 79, is one of the wealthiest musicians in the world, with an estimated fortune of livres sterling 865 millions. The release of the 2022 Rich List comes as a for Beatles midway through his Got Back tour. Alongside his successful solo career, McCartney also earned from the Beatles' previously released music. Due to his greater share of the royalties, McCartney's wealth is significantly larger. 3. J.K. Rowling. The Harry Potter author is one of the highest earned and most loved authors, having sold more than 500 million books featuring the Wizarding World of Hogwarts. Rowling, 56, is thought to have earned more than 1 billion de livres from her books over the years, but is believed to have earned a further livres sterling 200 millions from the Harry Potter film. She has a net worth of livres sterling 850 millions, a rise of livres sterling 30 millions from 2021. Rishi Sunak and Akshata Murthy. Sunak, 42, and his ex-wife have built up a joint fortune of livres sterling 730 millions. The Chancellor is the first frontline politician to be named on the Sunday Times Rich List. Murthy, 42, is the daughter of the billionaire Narayana Murthy, a co-founder of the hit giant Infosys and one of India's richest men. She owns 0,93% of the company in her own name, a stake worth about livres sterling 690 millions. 5. Sir Elton John. Having released 32 albums and sold more than 300 millions records over his syndicate long career, Sir Elton, 75, is one of the most successful British singers of all time. He has amassed a fortune from the sale of his music, and continued to earn money on his previous releases. Elton has a net worth of livres sterling 395 millions. 6. David and Victoria Beckham. The Beckham rose to fame in the 90s, when Victoria, 48, was a member of the Spice Girls, the best-selling girl group in history, and David, 47, became a household name for his football career. Since then, the couple have signed a number of commercial deals, most recently they banked the livre sterling 200 millions from selling a controlling stake in their business empire. Together, they have a net worth of livre sterling 380 millions. Both Elton John and David Beckham are expected to take part in the Jubilee weekend.